new project in the house. Shout out to the knife I made, I don't know, 4 years ago. Alright, this was a purchase from eBay. Packaging, nice job. Not too bad. This should be a Gameboy. Alright, here we go. So, nice little thank you with a drawing. How nice. Look at that. Huh? This game here is Destiny Board Traveler. Put it here. Get that. Get a nice little thank you with his initials. And there it is, Game Boy Advance. Comes with NES Classics. It says 150 games. You got Mario and Luigi. So that's cool. Set that off to the side. No back cover. Very, very bad condition. Really rough. It did show that it worked. I do, however, have another case here, which is not new. It is also used. This was one of my previous projects, and I saved it all this time. As you can see from it, it is severely dirty, right? But I'm going to use it. I'm going to take out this glass, should I say plastic screen, and I did order a new one, and I'm going to wash this all up before I swap out the internals out of this one onto this one. Let's clean this up and dive right into this, right? Alright, first thing I'm going to do is take her apart. Hey, shout out to bin number 5. Okay, so it's a tri-wing screwdriver. And a regular screwdriver, Phillips. Look how filthy that is. Filthy buttons. Speaker, very dirty. Otherwise, the motherboard doesn't look too bad. Switch, I'll probably clean that up. So I'm going to set this off to the side. I'll clean this up after we clean the cases and all these buttons and etc. Oh yeah, look at that. This is caked on here. I don't want to pull and rip the nipple. Hey, shout out to the nipple. So unfortunately for this restoration, I will not be doing no modification. There's going to be no modification. I'm going to be using the original screen. It ain't no IPS, no backlit, anything. It's just a stock screen. In the future, I will be replacing this one here with such a mod. But right now, no. Let me get in here with this plastic screwdriver. Take my time here. Okay. Slowly coming up. There you have it. Alright. Yeah, the screen, it's in really good condition. So we're going to use that again. I'm not sure about this here. But, okay, so this here is, I'm going to save this for the future. Maybe I can use it. I don't know. We'll see. This other case here has the guide for the game. So I don't have to take it out of this one. Other than that, this one, I don't need anything else, do I? Oh, wait, I do. Wait, or do I? I have the battery, let me see. It's there, right? Okay. Yeah, I don't need anything else. So this here, I'll save it for a different project in the future. Alright, so as far as this and this here, it needs to be cleaned. I'm going to go ahead and go clean all this up. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this all into the ultrasonic cleaner and give it a good bath. I'll be back when it's all nice and clean. Alright, all cleaned up, ready to assemble. I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the screen first, but before that, I got a package. I wonder what it is. Okay, that, and that. So this one, you probably can see, it's a screen cover, right? Man, okay, that's going to work out good, right? Hope. And the other one, I don't have a battery cover. So here we go. Now I do. Definitely not the same. Ooh, a little tight. Hey, better than nothing, right? Oh, yeah, it's tight. I told you, that thing is tight. Wow. What is going on with this? I'm going to break my fingernail. Well, let me put that off to the side. Worry about that after. Let me get with this here. Okay. The problem now is the screen. I hate dirty screens. So I want to make sure that this thing is going to be clean. When I put this back in here, what I'm going to do is, this one will be after. This one's first. But I want to go ahead and clean off some of these things that I see here. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, that looks pretty good. See a little bit of something there. Let me get a little cotton swab. Not sure if I get the alcohol out. I shouldn't have to. It looks pretty good. Just gonna clean it up like this and then blow it out. Yeah, that looks good. I'm happy with that. Blow it out. Have this other light back here that I can see the reflection. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Let me not jinx it. Okay. Okay, looks good. Now, the top screen. Let me keep that like that so nothing's falling on top. Okay. And then I'm going to hold this upside down so nothing's falling on that. And when it's time, I'm just going to lay it on there. Okay. Yes. And now Flipperoo. Just like that. That quick. That goes there. A, B, B, A. I think A goes here. Where's that B? Here's the B. Just give me a second. Oh, still a little wet over here. I thought I blew this off. Guess not. Didn't do a proper job. Not good. Alright, motherboard time. Am I forgetting anything? Let me know if I am. Oh boy, wait a minute. Hold on. Okay. I think I'm there. Yeah, how's that wheel? Looking good. Speakers in. Okay. And where are those screws? I think it was the small ones, right? 1 and 2. Yep. And it was a Phillips. And where did it go? Oh boy. I think it was 1 here. And 1 here. Okay, see how that feels. Off camera, I just took off this nipple here for this shoulder button, and I sprayed some contact cleaner because it was a little bit sticky. Not anymore. You can hear that click. Alright, what a mess. Look at this. Let's put the ribbon back in. Okay. We're getting there. This can is leaking. Jeez. Did I get this upside down? No. Okay, I got it right. Always confusing sometimes. Alright. Here we go. Last thing to do. Okay, looks good there. Down here. I don't know what this is. It's some discoloration. What is that? It's inside. You know what? Let me see. Gotta see what this is. Oh yeah, it's a crack. This thing's been cracked. Ugh. See that? Right there. It's nothing. Okay. It is what it is. Like I said, this is only temporary. Better than that. Alright. Good to put everything back in. And this one goes inside. Oops, don't want to do that. That's how you strip. And I did it again. Did I get them all? I lost concentration here. I was focusing on the camera, trying to get you a good angle. Alright, looks pretty good. Let's see if she works after putting her into the ultrasonic. Let me look at this real quick before I install this. Yeah, they messed this up. This came broken. Look at that. Yeah, they shipped me a broken back cover. See this? Right there. You see the stress mark, the crack. This one's got the lip. Man, always something. Oh well, like I said, this is just temporary. As long as I have something. Actually, you know what I don't like is this little tab here. Let me get that out of there. Some kind of lip. I don't know what's going on with that. Alright, that takes care of that. Yeah, still very tight fit right there. Very tight fit. Other than that, looks pretty good. A lot better than when it was, right? Oh, here we go. The best part, right? Oh yeah. Oh man, there's a little something in there. I don't like that. See that? Always debris that gets in between these screens. That's the downfall. Alrighty, so moment of truth. Ready? Will it power on? Actually, let me put a game. Here we go. Ready? It's going. Where's the volume? It's over there. Yeah, it's working. Oh yeah. Looks good to me. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick restoration. Until the next project, take care.